This video is gonna be me taking this bonsai bench apart because we are soon moving into another home. It is a lot cheaper and there is a fireplace, so the winter won't be as expensive in gas, for example. We need to save a lot of money before we buy a home, and it's hopefully the last time we'll be renting a place before we buy the home, so it's just to save money and get ready to it. We want to get a house purchased. We want to have a house purchased before next summer, so we can sort of live outside or whatever next summer because it's nice here. So, but the goal is to have a tiny house ready, our own tiny house ready before the winter of 24, and live in our own home, which we've built and documented on this channel, and that's what it's going to be about. But I gotta take this apart so that this lawn can become pretty again, as in many people's eyes it would define as pretty, but I've preferred it like this growing up, so there's constantly flowers throughout the year for the bees and stuff, but we gotta leave the lawn and the garden as we found it, so that's why I gotta take it down. I'll split this long bench in two and put it up against the house, because I still need to store my bonsai trees through the winter until we move in a couple of months. And I hope the lawn will be able to recover in these next 2 months after I've taken this bench down. So yeah, that's it. Also, I'm probably gonna post some videos about Stine and I moving into the new place and like starting a new chapter before we buy our home. Yeah, it's gonna be exciting. We're gonna live next to a waterfall, so there's no excuses not to do cold plunges every morning, do the healthy living. Yes, exciting. So that's it. I'm gonna make an L-shaped bench this way and then this way. And then we're gonna have our trees here. It'll be naturally covered a bit by the roof, so it won't get the same amount of frost as it would out there. So I think there'll be enough cover for the trees to survive the winter. Also, there'll be coming some heat from the wall for the trees. So I think it's a good spot, and the lawn isn't destroyed by the fact that the bench is gonna be here because it's tiles and stones. So I just gotta clear up the area before starting to rearrange and cut the bench. Of course, I found this little guy under my little toolbox. I won't put him in the sun. I just saw the craziest toad. We were out hunting for mushrooms the other day, and I saw a zombie toad. It was a lot bigger than this one. Maybe I'll post a video in this one as well. It was very creepy, but this is the sickness that these toads have lately. It's very depressing. It had no head and flies flying all over, and it was still jumping around. Very creepy. Maybe I'll put in this video, I don't know. is this video. I'm just sitting watching and enjoying the sunset. The garden is done. I've done it with a trimmer and the lawnmower all over, so it looks flat and nice like every other lawn. So we leave it as we found it with the landlord, and my new little SL bonsai bench here, where I don't damage the ground, is also done. So a productive day, soon ready to move. And thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Until next time.